The 2002 Jeep Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, driver airbag, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, front disc and rear drum brakes, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.